Welcome to Nijmegen, a city full of history in the heart of the Netherlands. Today, we're going on a special journey through this old Dutch city, all from the perspective of our dog friend wearing a GoPro camera. As we walk along the charming street of Lang Hezelstraat, the oldest shopping street in Nijmegen, let's learn some interesting things about this lovely city. Nijmegen is one of the oldest cities in the Netherlands, with a rich history dating back to Roman times. Nijmegen is today home to approximately 180,000 inhabitants and is located in the eastern part of the Netherlands, on the banks of the River Waal. You can easily reach Nijmegen by train from major cities like Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Utrecht, or Eindhoven. Next stop is the Market Square. This place has been busy for a long time. One important building here is the weighhouse, built in 1613. It was used to weigh and measure goods before they were sold in the market. From the square you can get to the narrow streets near the impressive Stevenskerk Church. You'll be amazed by the old buildings and hidden treasures around every corner. After enjoying the atmosphere around Stevenskerk Church, we're making our way back to Market Square. Let's leave the city behind and take a relaxing stroll through Valkhof Park, where history meets nature. Nijmegen has lots of parks, but Valkhof Park is special because of its beautiful views and ancient history. Named after Valkhof, an ancient Roman settlement. The park is really a short stroll from the beautiful Market Square. This scenic park offers stunning views of the city and the Waal River. Here, you'll find the remains of a castle built by Emperor Frederick Barbarossa in the 12th century, giving us a glimpse into the past. Among the castle ruins, you'll spot the impressive tower of Chapelle St. Nicholas. This old chapel, also called the Barbarossa Ruin Chapel, has been here since the 11th century. There is an interesting fact: during World War II, the chapel's underground also served as a shelter for people from the city. As you wander through Valkhof Park, don't forget to take in the amazing views of the city and the Waal River. Our time in Nijmegen has been great, even with the rain. See you again soon, Nijmegen, for much more adventures.